Isolation, loneliness, and food insecurity are new shared experiences many of us are facing through this pandemic. For others in our community, this is a way of life.
Our experiences sometimes when we see someone who is homeless or living on the street, we tend to want to look away. And so if you can imagine that being your regular experience with other human beings, that there's a discomfort and no one wants to interact, it's a different kind of isolation and loneliness. And we've been able to connect unwittingly with that scenario since we've been separated for a short time.
And I sat down with the Centers for Children and Families, Melanie Size, and also Christy Edwards for today's segment of Centers Solutions COVID edition, with a focus on the struggles the homeless population face in our area during the pandemic.
Just every day, it's traumatic for them. Nothing is easy for them. So you have the anxiety of not having a home. You have the food insecurity issue. It's like, can I feed myself? Can I feed my family? Can I feed my dog? You see so many people that's their constant companion. So how am I going to feed my dog, Then they have to worry about safety. I'm sleeping out here maybe under the overpass, up and tucked in under the overpass on Loop 250. Is someone going to try to, rob me or kill me or whatever? If it's a female, they have to worry, about sexual assault or physical assault. So they've got, then on top of all that, with everything that's going on with COVID-19, it's like, am I safe? So they've got the fear and stress of their own, physical safety, not only for being hurt, but also for catching some kind of disease. If they're taking handouts from people, is it clean?
The Field's Edge is a nonprofit supporting Midland's chronically homeless. They say there has been an increase in homelessness in Midland since January.
And according to the Field Edge, 227 homeless individuals were reported at the first of the year, and now the number has increased, adding around 100 more.
If you are someone that's newly homeless and you're trying to adjust to that, and then you're having to adjust to everything else, I think that what we want to watch for is signs of serious depression, any suicidal thinking, any homicidal thinking. Because for me, or I think for most of us on here, we would be going, I would not know how to survive for one day in that kind of situation. And some of these people were thrust there not by their own choice.
Edward says that there are always ways to help that don't always include giving money or food. Just approaching someone with a list of resources can help get the message out there. And Centers is currently working on collaborating with the Field's Edge to offer mental health resources.
At some point, everyone can feel overwhelmed during these times, especially when faced with unimaginable obstacles. But our experts say it's all about drawing on your past successes and the belief in yourself to move forward.
Part of that was creating sort of a life resume that's for you to look at all of your accomplishments, and it's not necessarily just career, but anything that you're really particularly proud of or you think might make your family proud, write it down. Not everybody has the ability or time for that, but it's a good time for reflection to give ourselves that chance to have something to look forward to based on, as Christy said, our previous successes as human beings.
I always tell people, just whenever you think you can no longer go on, you just stop thinking about it. You can pull the covers over your head. You can just go to bed for the night or whatever, because the next morning it's almost like your ability clock is reset. And when you wake up in the morning, you go, yes, I can do one more thing. I can do the next thing that I need to do. So as long as you have that drive that most of us have, and if you've had it in the past, then you're going to be able to continue going forward.
And we want you to know that you are never alone. And if you need help, you can call the Emergency Crisis Hotline. It's open 24/7. That number is right here on your screen, 844-420-3964.
During the month of June, the Centers for Children and Families is continuing to offer the first visit free to anyone needing help. And through this pandemic, they are also offering any first responder or any medical worker battling COVID-19 on the front lines their first 2 sessions free.
And for more contact information and a link to the full Centers Solutions podcast to learn more about how the Permian Basin is helping the homeless population, you can head to our website, yourbasin.com. There you can also find resources and contacts to help those in need.